Hi friends, welcome back. Today we are going to solve another popular SQL coding entry question. It's on Leetcode 1355 activity participants. So we are going to go through this important SQL coding problem today. We are going to understand this problem with some examples, and we are also going to implement our SQL query solution to solve this coding problem. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel now. Also, click on the bell notification icon button right away so you won't miss any important postings from this channel. Here we create videos to help others in their interview preparation and learning different computer science concepts along with data structures, algorithms, problem solving, logic building, programming and coding. So let's start. So two tables are given to us. So first table is friends. So it has three columns, right? ID is integer, name is varchar, activity is also varchar, right? ID is the ID of the friend and primary key of this table. The name is the name of the friend, activity is the name of the activity which the friend takes part in. Okay. The second table is activities table. The activities table has two columns. ID is the integer, name is varchar. ID is the primary key for this table. Name is the name of the activity. Write SQL query to find name of all the activities with neither maximum nor minimum number of participants. Return the result table in any order. Each activity in table activities is performed by any person in the table friends. The query result format is in the following example. Right? So this is what the problem says. So let's take a look at this example. So it will be more clear, right? So friends table is there, activities are here, right? So there are three types of activities they have given here, right? 1, 2, 3. So one is eating, two is singing, and three is horse riding, right? So you can see that the maximum number of activity in the friends table is eating, right? Eating come three times. So 1, 2, 3. So this is the maximum number of activity, right? Okay. The second the minimum number of activity is horse riding. Horse riding came one time, right? Okay. So they are asking us to find out all the activities which are neither maximum nor minimum. So now we know that eating is the maximum activity which is done by three people, right? Jonathan D, right? Then Elvis Q and Daniel A. So these three people are doing eating. The Bob B is doing horse riding, which is minimum number of activities, right? Now we want to find out this leftover activity. The leftover activity here is only one. So singing is what we will get here, right? That's what the problem is asking, right? So name of all the activities with neither maximum nor minimum number of participants. So that activity is singing in this case, right? So this is the same thing they have explained here, right? So because eating is the maximum activity which is performed by three people or three friends, the horse riding is minimum activities which is performed by one friend, and singing is performed by two friends, which is not minimum not maximum, right? So this is what the problem says. So now you understood the problem statement with this example clearly. So we'll write a common table expression to solve this problem. So this is how you can write down a common table expression, and then we'll use that in our main query. So with temp as, so temp is the name of the common table expression. Common table expression is also called as CTE many times, right? So here we'll say select activity, comma, count of activity as num from friends, group by activity, right? So you will get activity and the number of activities basically, right? Count of that activity. So for example, in this case, you will get eating 3, singing 2 and horse riding 1, right? Using this common table expression. Now after this common table expression, we are going to use this temp expression from our main query here, right? So we'll use that from here. So select activity from temp, because we have activity here. So we'll select activity from temp where num is not equal to, this is the num, right, which is count basically of activities. So num should not be equal to select max num from temp, and num should not be equal to select min num from temp. So the activity should not be maximum, should not be minimum basically, right? So this is what we are doing here, right? So max will give you the maximum activity here, right? And min will give you the minimum activity here, right? The count. So if we exclude that, then you will get the other activities. So for example, if you exclude eating and horse riding here, you will get the remaining singing as the activity as the answer here, right? So for example, right? So this is how you can write down this SQL query by using common table expression. So the important things to note here is, first we have used common table expression. So this is the way you can, so this is the way you can create a common table expression, right? Like this. Now in the common table expression itself, we have used a group by clause, we have used count aggregate function, right? And then after that we have used the common table expression temp in the main query. We have used a max, which is aggregate function, min is also aggregate function, right? So these are the important things here. So this is how you can solve this important coding interview problem on Leetcode 1355 activity participants. So I hope you understood and you like this SQL query solution today. So I'm going to add this SQL query solution for you in my GitHub repository and give you the link of the GitHub repository so that you can check out the other programming solutions. There are lots of other important algorithmic and programming solutions already implemented and available there for you in the GitHub repository. Don't forget to check them out. They are important problems. They are recently asked by big companies in their interviews. If you like the programming solutions in the GitHub repository, consider giving it a star on the GitHub repository. That would be great. If you are new to this channel, there is a very important coding interview related playlist to help your interview rounds. It is called as Leetcode and Leetcode Solutions. More than 800 different varieties of problems are here to help your interview preparation and learning different computer science concepts. If you like this SQL query solution, then please give it a thumbs up to the video, give it a like to the video, subscribe to this channel. Subscription is very important because that's how the videos can reach to other people, so others will also be able to watch and learn from this video. So do subscribe to this channel, share this content with your friends, your colleagues, so they will also learn SQL programming and SQL coding. Click on the bell notification icon button right away so you won't miss any important postings from this channel. The important playlist you should check from this channel is its name is Leetcode and Leetcode Solutions. Lots of important coding problems are compiled for you there. Those problems are selective problems asked by big companies in their interviews many times. So it will give you good preparation. It will help you learn lots of new techniques, lots of new ways of problem solving there. If you are a fresher, junior level developer and you want to practice more coding problems for your interview preparation, to help you in your practicing, we have created 3 other playlists for you on this channel. The names of those playlists are Code Forces, CodeChef, AdCoder. Go to the playlist of this channel, you will find those playlists there. There are lots of other important, interesting, important and exciting problems waiting for you there. So don't forget to check them out. They are very important problems. If you are a fresher junior level developer, you want to learn how to solve programming coding interview questions, right? You want to learn how to apply different algorithms, how to apply different data structures, and which techniques to use to solve different varieties of problems, right? So to help you with your learning process, we have created lots of solve coding problems videos that can you can use to learn how to solve those problems. You can learn to use them to learn more data structures and algorithmic approaches. Those important varieties of problems includes dynamic programming, graphs, matrices, binary search trees, breadth first search, depth first search, cadence algorithm, binary search algorithm, Kruskal's algorithm, Dijkstra algorithm, sliding window algorithm. There are lots of other important data structures related coding interview problems available for you on this channel. That includes stack, queues, priority queues, hash table, hash map, tree set, hash set, linked hash map, linked hash set, arrays, linked list. All are important coding interview problems. Go through them. It will definitely give you a good preparation for your interview rounds. You can learn lots of important varieties that typically appears in the coding interview rounds. Um, if you are a fresher junior level developer planning to take Java interviews, there are lots of Java related videos we have created to help others on this channel. For example, frequently asked Java telephonic interview questions and how to answer them, Java design patterns, Java architecture, SQL programming questions to the freshers, where they will give you database tables, they will ask you to write SQL queries like this one. where you may have to use different database concepts like inner join, outer join, left outer join, right outer join, aggregate operations group, and having clauses, different where clause conditions, important MySQL windowing and ranking functions, partitioning. Everything is demoed and explained with SQL database tables and SQL queries for you. There are videos that discusses Unix questions like Unix commands, Unix utilities, shell scripting questions. All are here to help you in your interview preparation and learning process. If you like the videos on this channel, if they are helping your learning process, you are learning more techniques, more problem solving along with programming and coding, then please do leave your messages, your feedback and your comments below these videos. Your feedback, your messages and your comments are highly appreciated, very important and valuable for us. They increase our motivation to create more quality content videos to help others. So do leave your messages, tell us how the videos are useful and helpful for you. If you want us to create videos about any specific computer science, Java J2 or interview related topics, then mention those topics in the below's comments section so that we can create those videos for you here. Keep learning, keep coding, keep solving more varieties of coding problems, and most importantly, keep your learning process and practicing going on continuously. And thanks for watching these videos.